Welcome to What's Next, your college and career resource channel. Today we are going to learn how to look up your college application essays requirements for each of your colleges in the Common App. So step one, go to your Common App account. You'll go to your dashboard, and if you click on My Colleges, you will see all of your colleges listed that you've added in the Common App. To find your essay prompts, click on one of your colleges. So we'll click on Baylor University. And if we scroll down to writing requirements, we'll see that Baylor University requires the Common App personal essay. So one of the 7 already included prompts that you'll need to respond to. And they do not require any supplemental writing or essays. So then you can go to, for instance, Columbia University over here on the left-hand side. And for Columbia University, you'll see that they do require a writing supplement over here. So if we click on questions, it'll show all the questions that you also need to respond to submit your application. There is a box for you to copy and paste whatever response that you would like to use. And then there's also a word count, so make sure that you stay within those maximum number of words. After you copy and paste all of your responses to these questions here, it'll allow you to continue with the application or submit it when you are ready. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.